Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all charging methods for your headphones BeOplay8Sport. And the first one is to use adapter and USB-C cable. So just connect to USB-C port on your charging case and we can see that orange flashing light, so it means that it's charging. The second one is to use your phone. All you need to have is just USB-C to USB-C cable. So just connect USB-C cable to your phone and the second one to your headphones. And we can also see that LED light is flashing, so it means that it's charging. If your phone doesn't support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Next one, we can use reverse wireless charging. So just enable it on your phone and after that just put your headphones to the phone and we can see LED light here, so it means that it's charging. And the last one is to use wireless charging station. I should connect it. Just put your headphones to wireless charging station and we can also see this flashing light, so that means that it's charging. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.